Alright, what's the deal, YouTube? It's SRT Show, and we back with another video, man. Today, I'm about to be giving y'all a video, you know, in a wrecked Scat Pack, as y'all can see the damage right here. Shit wrecked as fuck. I gotta stop cussing. But no, today, we're gonna be doing a POV with no traction in my crashed Scat Pack. But y'all see all these scratches and shit. Y'all see how the bumper coming out. I'm not gonna lie. But no, let's get straight to it, though. Alright, as y'all can tell from the thumbnail, obviously, and the damage that I showed y'all from that short intro, bro, my shit is fucked. I gotta get it fixed. But in my last video, we went to Buffet, so we about to get, you know, we got something in the works. You know, we about to get this bumper fixed and a fender. But we got more things coming though. I'm about to get this crazy ass LED steering wheel. You know, we about to come back crazy as hell, no cap. Damn, my fucking phone. I mean, my iPad just fell. Let me close this bitch. I don't even need that open no more. Am I recording? All right, I'm recording. We good. But no, y'all, I ain't brought y'all like a POV in a minute, so I'm about to give y'all a POV in a wrecked Scat Pack with the traction off, obviously. Let's turn it off right now. All right, we got the traction off, and we're gonna take it out of eco mode too. So now we about to get, you know, we about to sauce some shit up. Bro, I ain't downshifted in a minute either, bro. Like, it's been a minute. Oh yeah, and y'all can, if y'all can see this, look, I got me an oil change too. I literally just got it today, bro. I had like no oil, like no fresh oil for like 3 weeks. I'm not gonna even cap, bro. Like, I just been so, I don't even know what the word is. Not demotivated, but like, fuck. I just been like, fuck it. But I gotta get out of that, bro. We about to go 7 days straight with no traction. I'm gonna try to bring y'all content like every day, like for 7 days straight. And if I don't do it for 7 days straight, I'm gonna give y'all 30 days straight. Oh yeah, you already know what type of timing we on. If you know, you know. Like, y'all see? If you know, you know. That's all I'm gonna say. If you know, you know. That shit irritating anyways. Imagine if my insurance company watched this video and see that what I just did. No cap. That shit gonna be bad. Hey look, they go to famous gas station we crashed at, y'all. Bro, this car sounds so good with an oil change. just lost control a little bit. Oh my god, bro. I thought those were cops, bro. I'm like, what the fuck? Bro, imagine that was just like an army of cops. That shit would have been crazy. They would have been on my ass. No cap though. Bro, who been on Sparking Zero though? Hey, if y'all play on PS5, shit, leave y'all gamer tags down below. I've been on Sparking Zero like crazy. I'm not gonna lie, that game fun as hell. Especially when you got friends to play with though. Bro, my shit is whining. Let me roll down the windows a little bit more. Yo, look at that Durango though. Bro, we are soaring, no cap. Bro, there's like a small delay when I shift. It like, it sounds like it's like trying to like shift, but it can't. I can't even describe it. Maybe I just gotta like let the oil like fucking lubricate the fucking whatever. I don't even know. But my shit probably not even properly like lubricated yet, because I just low-key got it like an hour ago. It's like kind of stuttering. I don't know. That shit sound weird as hell. Y'all hear it? I don't know if y'all can hear it or not, but like, I think I need to like let it like lubricate for real, no cap. Man, this thing sounds so crazy, bro. And I'm only in street mode too, that's the thing. Like, bro, that fresh oil change hit different. Y'all hear that? I know y'all heard that stutter that time. Whenever I go like third to second, it just like stutter. Like, let me try that one more time. All right, that time I did it, it didn't stutter. But like last time, like the last couple times, it's been like stuttering and shit. And it kind of just stuttered right there too. Bro, I done burned like 30 miles of gas. No cap, my shit at 88. Okay, now it sounds good. It sounds better now, way better. It ain't like stuttering no more. That time it didn't stutter, but it was a delay. I don't know what's going on with my shit. My shit fucked up. Or it could just be from like me not driving it crazy like in like the last 2 months. That's probably what's going on, because I haven't really like used the shifters in like a minute. I haven't even taken it out of eco mode in like, I'm not gonna even lie, it's been a dog minute. And I had no oil change on top of that, so that's probably why. Yeah, man, make sure y'all follow me on Instagram though. I'm not gonna lie, follow me on Instagram and make sure y'all subscribe. We need like, we did need 5 more subscribers, but I'm not gonna lie, somebody unsubscribed. I'm not gonna lie, that kind of pissed me off, but you know, it's all cool though. All we need is 5 more subscribers, y'all, like 6 to 5, and I'm gonna be at 1,000 subs, bro. Make sure y'all subscribe. Like literally by this video I should have at least 5 more subscribers, 6 more. We literally about to be at 1,000 fucking subs. Like no cat, like let's get it, bro. I've been working like a long ass time to get this shit, so you know, finally, damn. But no, man, make sure you like the video too, man. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video though.